Hey, what's up guys, this is Sky495 here with an unboxing of Anker's Powercore Plus 26,800 mAh capacity, featuring their Quick Charge 2.0 charger. So this baby here is actually even bigger than my last Anker product that I had unboxed, which was the Powercore Plus 20,100 mAh. So this guy actually holds less charge than whatever's in here. So I'm kind of curious as to how big this thing will be. This one, the main feature of this one is that it charges you via the new USB Type-C connection. But this one, I believe, is still using the micro USB, which is still common at the time of this video. So anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Here's just a quick look at the box. Nothing really on the sides. So let's go ahead and get into it. So now, knife out of the way, let's go ahead and open this up. Okay, typical Anker packaging. Their feedback card here, and a quick start guide to just to their quick charging 2.0, and then this is for the actual device. Right. And then here are the specifications for those of you who would like to know. You can pause this video. Okay. So that's out of the way. So this is what it looks like. I'll do a little quick comparison with the other one in just a minute. Before that, let's go ahead and look at what cables it comes in. So I think this tab is supposed to be up, but it's not. This makes it a little bit more difficult, but that's okay. Alright, so in here is most likely the cables, and then a cage. Oh wow, they actually gave you a wall plug. That's actually really nice. It takes in one USB port right there. Let me just take that out to show you guys. Here it is. It's a Qualcomm Quick Charge 2.0. The specifications here, which are 5 volts, outputting at 2 amps, so that's good. And then here's the single USB. Alright. And it has an LED for those of you who care, so know that there's charge going into your device. Okay, let's see what else is in here. Yep, here's the carrying pouch, which is always their typical mesh. Nice. And I believe this is a micro USB. Yes. Okay, so that's the cables. Now here's the actual device. Here we are. Again, they have this really nice battery indicator wheel, which I personally like. And okay, so it's definitely wider. So let's just have a quick comparison here. So it's wider. But it's also a little, just slightly shorter than the previous one. Depth-wise, they're about the same. And then now, you take a look at the ports available. So you have 3 ports, and this is the Qualcomm 2.0 quick charging feature, I believe. And then the input to charge this is the micro USB, which is nice. So you can charge up to 3 devices at the same time. So that's really nice. Weight-wise, this is definitely heavier, but that's to be expected since it is a higher capacity portable battery. So that'll do it for this video. I will be making a review soon. To subscribe to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more product reviews and unboxings, definitely subscribe. I can't emphasize that much. I always do a bunch of these types of tech products and any everyday consumer products that are relevant to your daily lives. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.